welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So today, as you can see from the title down below, we have our September 2019 My Paper Box Mini. I love this subscription so much. So for those of you that do not know, My Paper Box has two different subscription levels. They have their grand box, which I have actually already unboxed and posted, and that gives you so many different things. I mean, it could be cards, notepads. They always include a cute little calendar that we have a frame for. Like, so when you first sign up, you get a frame to put your calendar in every month. And you guys, the best part about this entire subscription is it's all personalized. So the grand is $28, and it, like I said, it could have anything. It could have pins, note cards, greeting cards, just such a wide variety. It is always amazing. The mini includes 3 personalized notepads for only $10. So I can't wait to see what they look like for September. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for My Paper Box. Like I said, it's always super cute. And let's get in here and see. I do want to remind you guys, we have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on still. That does run till the 22nd, as well as the thrift bag giveaway where you could win a brand new Betsy Johnson book bag. Also, we have the makeup and skincare giveaway with 2 winners. That is running through the first week of October. All right, so we got everything open. All right, so here we have this. This month's inspiration is in celebration of Comic Book Day. Ooh, break out those colored pencils, crayons, and markers and create your own story. Wednesday, September 25th is Comic Book Day. That is awesome. And if you guys have been following me, oh my gosh, I'm so excited because you've probably seen on some live streams, my son Christopher is creating his own comics. So how awesome is this? I will definitely have to remember on September 25th that it is Comic Book Day. We'll have to do something fun. So, oh, that's a Wednesday. That's the day that I go live. We'll have to do a special live, you guys. Mark your calendars. Wednesday, September 25th, we're going to do a special fun live for Comic Book Day featuring Christopher and some of his comics. All right, so like I said, this comes with 3 personalized notepads, which I think is awesome. So we have the, oh my God, hello, yes, you know, like kind of like the pow, bam, wham, but you do have my name right here. So super cute. And then we have this one again, my name is on here and it's showing like a telephone, a TV, a bomb. It says hello, super, and all of that. So, and you get quite a few pages. I'm always making lists. Oh, Super Nikki. Pow, flash, crush, bang, wham. This is awesome. So I'm like super excited about this. I just got like really excited. Again, they're personalized. I love that they have this theme. And to me personally, it's touching like my heart because of Christopher's love for drawing comics right now, and I just think this is absolutely adorable. But like I said, now that I know that Wednesday, September 25th is Comic Book Day, and that is the night that I usually go live is on Wednesdays, we will do a special Comic Book Day celebration live on Wednesday, the 25th of September. So if you want to be a part of that, head on over that night. So I'll definitely post something on my community tab to remind you guys. But like I said, this was the September 2019 My Paper Box Mini. I thought all 3 were super cute and the whole theme I just love. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for either the grand or the mini. I just love that it's personalized, that special touch I just love. So let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.